Hi there! So here's the newly launched Toshiba TV that comes with Alexa built-in. I've done a detailed review of this device and I highly recommend you see it. You'll find the link for that video in the description. So at the time of making this review, I had mentioned that it comes with Alexa built-in, but it takes a while to set it up and it's kind of complicated. Most of you who bought the device had trouble setting it up and want me to make a step-by-step tutorial on how to get Alexa working on their new Toshiba TVs. So here we are. You can do this by using your smartphone or a laptop, anything is fine. All you're going to need is an Amazon account and preferably a Prime membership to access the huge Amazon Music collection. Alright, so before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So first thing, I'm going to make sure whether the remote is paired to the TV, and when I say paired means is the remote paired via Bluetooth. So you press the mic button on the remote and it's going to tell you must set up the Bluetooth remote before you use the Amazon Alexa service on the TV. So you go to setup now. Now you press the menu button on the remote and hold it to pair the remote with the TV. Connecting, paired successfully. Perfect. Now when you press that mic button again, it will tell you the process to follow to set up Alexa. Set up now. So here it tells you that you visit my.vidaa.com/in/code using a laptop or smartphone. For this demo, we are going to use a smartphone. Now I'm taking my Android phone, going to the Chrome browser, and I'm going to search for my.vidaa.com/in/code. Enter. You'll be greeted with the Vidaa page. Come to email. Right down here there is an option called create a Vidaa account. Here you enter your first name, then you enter your email ID, then you set a password, re-enter the password, choose location, agree, and create account. Here is going to show you no TV link. Now you sign out. Now you go to email again and you enter the email ID that you have just created an account with. Enter password and sign in. Now it's going to tell you to enter the code. Now the code is what you can see on the screen. You enter here 9GX9NS. You have to enter the code that is showing on your screen. And there you go. On the TV screen it says choose your TV name and you can go with Smart TV. Now if you refresh, you will see Smart TV written here, and now it's telling you to go to amazon.com/us/code. So what we're going to do is open another browser window and go to amazon.com/us/code. Enter. Enter your Amazon credentials. Now it is asking you to enter the code. Now you enter the code that is showing on the display again. AKCETJ. Continue. And the registration is now complete. Now you authorize. Now here it is showing you whether it is going to use your default Alexa account or you want to set it with another account. I will say reset with current account and choose your language. And there we go, we are almost set up. Now we press the mic. What's the weather in Mumbai?
Right now in Mumbai, Maharashtra, it's 31 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today's
Open Netflix.
Getting Netflix from Vidaa OS.
Open YouTube.
Getting YouTube from Vidaa OS.
Open Prime Video.
Getting Prime Video from Vidaa OS.
And there you go, you can see that Alexa is working perfectly fine on your Toshiba TV. And if you have an Echo speaker with you, an Echo Dot, Echo, any Echo speaker with you, you can also use that to control your TV. So what we're going to do is go to your Amazon Alexa account. You go to all devices and there you will see, I'm seeing here Prasanjit Smart Voice TV. Now I wouldn't want that to be so long, so I can edit that to just Smart TV. Okay, we're done. And now let's check out the magic. Alexa, open YouTube on Smart TV. Wow. Anything else, guys? Alexa, open Netflix on Smart TV. Alexa, turn off Smart TV. You can even turn it off, guys. Alexa, turn on the Smart TV. And there you go. You can actually control the whole TV just using the Alexa voice search from the remote, and even if you have any Alexa speaker or Echo speaker with you. Simply brilliant. So I hope this method was helpful and Alexa starts working on your new Toshiba TVs by following this method. Do write down in the comments and let me know if it worked, if it didn't work. Also, if there are any questions, feel free to mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.